Alright, so BigBear.ai, ticker symbol BBI, is popping up everywhere in the AI and defense investing conversation right now. Is this stock a buy, a sell, or just one to watch? Let's break down both sides, bullish and bearish, so you can make smarter decisions. First, the bullish case. Why are some investors so hyped? BigBear's Vane platform is a real-time AI forecasting tool that basically helps military decision-makers react faster than ever. It just gained awardable status in the DoD TradeWinds marketplace, which means it could land some big government contracts, especially after being showcased at Project Convergence. Then there's leadership. Having a CEO with Homeland Security ties is a massive credibility boost for winning defense deals, and BigBear is gaining ground as a legit alternative to Palantir, especially for defense-focused AI. But it's not just about the military. They're expanding civilian biometrics, think facial recognition at airports, which could be a whole new revenue stream if they keep landing deals. And check this out, their valuation is way lower than Palantir's on a price-to-sales basis, so some investors feel it's a bargain, especially with all the money pouring into defense tech right now. If even a couple of those big contracts hit, the stock could jump 50 to 75% in the next year. Alright, but let's pump the brakes. Here's the bearish side. Landing defense contracts takes forever, and there's no guarantee Vane gets picked over established names like Palantir or Raytheon. Plus, even though the valuation looks cheap compared to Palantir, it's still pretty high versus the sector average. If growth slows, those multiples could shrink fast, and so could the stock price. And after a 93% rally, a lot of traders might start taking profits. The technical charts show it's getting overbought. Also, Vane needs a lot of custom work for each client, so scaling up could be a slog compared to bigger competitors. And if they don't win contracts soon, they might have to raise more cash, which could dilute existing shareholders. Bottom line, BigBear.ai is at a make-or-break moment. If they execute on these contracts and keep expanding biometrics, there's real upside. But if they miss out, expect a pullback. High risk, high reward. So be careful with your position size and manage your risk. And remember, this is not investment advice. Always do your own research and talk to a pro before investing. So what do you think? Buy, sell, or just watch from the sidelines? Let me know in the comments.